Hi guys, welcome to another video of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can save real video on Instagram to your gallery. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, log into your Insta account. After that, tap on your profile icon and open the reel you want to save in your gallery. After that, select the three-dot icon. You will see Save to your device option. Tap on it and select on the download button. And that's it. The desired reel video will be saved on your device in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.